Hey guys, welcome back to Detroit Garage. Did a quick video for you guys, just towing this utility trailer around with a compressor in it. I ran the compressor out to my shop and did an audio with the new exhaust system. I've been playing with this exhaust system now for quite some time to get it dialed in, and I kind of wish I never touched it, to be honest. But we put the modifications I did to it. I made a 5-inch exhaust, sort of. It's 4-inch to 5-inch, but I had a really bad drone in the exhaust. So what I did is I put a DOC, a diesel oxidation catalyst, in to deaden the drone and the noise, and then put a resonator, 124-inch resonator, followed by a 5-inch 24-inch resonator, and then out with the 5-inch exhaust. But that drone, it didn't kill it, and on long trips it just drives me nuts. So I tried all kinds of things. I put an auger style deadener in the exhaust in the 5-inch muffler, and that 5-inch, as it turns out, the internals of that are 4 inches. So what's the use of having a 5-inch exhaust muffler if the internals are 4-inch? So the auger style, I guess you call it hurricane auger, it was great. The drone was gone, but EGTs were huge. So I pulled that out, and then I stuck one of my old 24-inch, 4-inch resonators on there. So I'll show you underneath. You've got the DOC in silver, 24-inch, 4-inch ID resonator, and then my old 24 4-inch resonator. So I got the two resonators in that, and then adapted into the 5-inch exhaust. It's perfect now. The noise is gone, or the drone is gone. But it's so quiet now, you can't even hear the exhaust note. So maybe Jimmy's too quiet. Anyway, you be the judge. So there you have it, guys. That's the sound of Jimmy now. Super quiet. Maybe it's too quiet. Thanks for checking in. We'll catch you on the next video. Take care.